What is affiliate marketing? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful way to make money online with affiliate marketing. If you've been looking for a way to earn passive income by recommending products or services that you already love, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right into it. What is affiliate marketing? First, what is affiliate marketing? It's really straightforward. When you join an affiliate program, you promote a product or service from another company. They give you a special link, and if someone buys the product through that link, you get a commission. It's like being a middleman or influencer who connects people to the right products. For example, let's say I promote this cool fitness gadget. If someone clicks the link in the description below and buys it, I earn a percentage of the sale. Simple, right? Choosing a niche. But before you jump into affiliate marketing, you have to choose a niche. What's a niche? It's basically the area or topic you want to focus on. If you're into tech, maybe you can promote gadgets. If you're into fitness, promote workout gear or supplements. Here's why picking a niche is crucial. When you focus on one area, you build authority and trust. People see you as an expert and are more likely to take your advice. Think about it this way: would you trust someone who talks about everything under the sun, or someone who consistently shares expert knowledge about one topic? Exactly. Finding affiliate programs. Once you have your niche, the next step is finding affiliate programs. Don't worry, this part is easier than you think. You can join programs through Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. You just sign up, pick products related to your niche, and boom, you get an affiliate link that you can share with your audience. Remember, always promote products you actually believe in. This makes a huge difference. If you don't like the product yourself, your audience will sense that and won't trust your recommendations. Creating content to promote affiliate links. Now that you have your affiliate links, how do you get people to click them? This is where content comes in. You need to create helpful content around the products you promote. Think product reviews, best of lists, tutorials, and even unboxings. For example, if I was promoting a camera, I'd make a detailed review, explaining its pros and cons, how to use it, and who it's perfect for. I'd include my affiliate link in the description and mention it in the video. Easy, right? Don't just limit yourself to YouTube. Start a blog or use social media like Instagram or TikTok. The key here is to offer value first. Help your audience solve a problem, and they'll be more likely to click your link and make a purchase. Driving traffic to your content. Okay, so you've got great content with affiliate links, but how do you get people to actually see it? It's all about driving traffic. Let's break it down. First, there's SEO or search engine optimization. This sounds techy, but it's really about using the right keywords so that your content ranks higher in Google or YouTube searches. Imagine your blog post is about best cameras for vlogging. Use that exact phrase in your title and content, and your post could show up when someone searches for it. Next, you've got social media. It's a great place to share your content. Post on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook with a strong call to action, like check out my review on the best cameras for YouTubers. And don't forget email marketing. Build an email list and send regular updates with product recommendations. Your loyal audience will be more likely to check out what you suggest. Tracking and optimizing performance. To really make money with affiliate marketing, you've got to track your performance. Most affiliate programs give you access to a dashboard where you can see how many people are clicking your links and how many sales you've made. Tools like Google Analytics can help you track where your traffic is coming from, whether it's your blog, YouTube, or social media. Once you know what's working, you can focus more on that type of content. For example, if product review videos are getting the most clicks, double down on that. So, to wrap it up, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a legitimate way to earn passive income over time. Be consistent, provide value, and trust the process. It might take a little while, but once you gain traction, the money will start rolling in. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.